Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix call drop issue on your Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix your call drop issue, first of all open the quick settings panel and here turn on airplane mode. Now wait for few seconds and then turn it back off, and after turning off go back and check if your problem is fixed or not. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is restart your mobile. So to restart, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now after that swipe up to restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on about device. Now here click on storage and then click on apps. Now here click on this three dot more icon and click on show system, and after that scroll down and here click on phone. Now here click on clear cache to clear the cache memory of phone app, and then click on clear data to clear the app data of phone app. So here again click on delete to confirm. So when you do this, your call drop issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.